ventricle within. Okay, this is our choroid plexus right here, our thalamus, hypothalamus, the pineal gland, the intermediate mass. 13 is our posterior commissure. 11 is our anterior commissure. Here is the corpora quadrumana, or the tactile plate, corpora quadrumana. If we pull this out just a little bit, we have the two bumps. You can't really see them very well, huh? Superior colliculi and inferior colliculi. One structure we have yet to talk about is this little guy right here. This is called the mammary body. Mammary body. We have the pons, the medulla oblongata. The cerebral peduncle is nicely seen right here, the swelling. So it goes cerebral peduncle, the first swelling, then the pons, and then the medulla oblongata. When we remove the diencephalon in the midbrain from the model, we can see some other structures here. So this is a choroid plexus that would fill the lateral ventricle. One part, or one lobe I had yet to mention, we put this guy back together here. Here's your frontal lobe, your temporal lobe, and when we remove the temporal lobe, we see another lobe underneath. You guys know what that is? This is the insula, right in here, okay? So there's the insula. This structure right here is the caudate nucleus, C-shaped caudate nucleus. The amygdaloid body is right here, okay? The amygdaloid body right here. And then if we were to remove the insula, we'd see a nice, smooth surface that looked like this. The smooth surface is the putamen. The putamen. I think that's all with that. Let's look at the, I do want to show you the other half of this brain because here we have the hypothalamus. This right here is the infundibulum and then the pituitary gland. Students tend to get confused because they think the structure above it is the pituitary gland, but that's really half of the optic chiasm. So when you put this together, you can see that this is the optic chiasm right here. So do not confuse that with the pituitary gland. Looking at the cranial nerves on this guy,